You need it now. You can't risk getting subpar quality. Your budget won't allow inflated pricing. Do you have someone in your corner?
Equipment seems to malfunction at the most inopportune times, but Tenacor makes it fast and easy to schedule a repair with T-Connect. Many devices can be repaired and shipped or delivered with industry-leading turnaround times, all from our ISO-certified facilities.
I am the core.
Supply chain issues and low-quality parts from offshore vendors can wreak havoc on your timeline and bottom line. You need a support team who provides solutions that fit your budget.
I am the core.
Our customer service team is knowledgeable, courteous, and ready to provide answers when you need them. Relationships are the key to creating long-term, satisfied customers.
I am the core.
Rigorous quality standards and a multi-point inspection ensure that pre-owned equipment meets final quality approval before heading out the door.
I am the core.
Tenacor is comprised of extremely talented and dedicated people who understand that quality and service make the biggest difference. Your healthcare team and the safety of your patients is our top priority.
We are the core!
And we're in your corner.
Call today to schedule repairs or to purchase parts and equipment.